Welcome back to my giant life. And this month's prompt is to create a bucket with a shovel and paste it to your card or page. Include your bucket list. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So enjoy my process. I've already prepped my card and I gessoed it lightly. I use a nail file. I got it at the dollar store. It's beginning to fall apart, to rough it up, and then I go ahead and use either clear gesso or white gesso, which I used here. And I'm going to go ahead and get started, and then I'll go on to the next step. All right, so I hope that you enjoy this, and don't forget to check out all the other lovely artists that are involved in this art journaling journey on playing cards or art journal page or postcards or whatever you have on hand. All right. Okay, so I went ahead. I didn't realize my camera had shut off, so I went ahead and used some sand texture paste on the bottom here, and I used some acrylic paints in different colors. And so now I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll be back in a few. All right, so I got all of this done here, and I got my bucket here that I made out of scrapbooking paper, and I did different pieces, drew out the different pieces, and then I cut them out. And I also have a shovel, so I'm going to figure out first where I'm going to glue this down. Okay. I'm cutting a slit here because I want to put my bucket list kind of like this, showing out. So before I glue everything down, I need to cut this hole first. And then my bucket list is going to go like this, maybe like this. Okay. All right, so it's nice and dry, and I'm going to come in with a little more of that texture paste. I want some sand at the bottom of my bucket. To dry, and I'm going to work on this. enjoyed my version, my bucket list. So I've got travel to Australia and New Zealand, travel back to Switzerland to visit childhood friends, get an RV and travel the United States, because I've been to more countries than I've been to states in my own United States. And see my kids get married and hopefully one day see them have their own children. So yeah, so I'm going to add this, tuck this in like this. Okay, then I'm going to take the shovel and I'm going to put, I think I'll put the shovel going this direction, and I'm just going to glue it in a couple of sections because I want to be able to pull. Oops, let me zoom out. You can't see now. Sorry. So I want to be able to pull this list out. So I'm going to quickly glue that down. Paint, and I'm going to go around the edge of my card here, just a little bit around the edge, create a little more depth. Here is my bucket list. So I hope that you enjoyed my version, my take on this month's prompt, and that you'll go check out all the other lovely artists that are involved in this art journaling journey. And I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching, Toodles. Have a wonderful day. Bye.